And a very good Thursday afternoon, folks. I'm NTV Chief Meteorologist Eddie Shear. Just wanted to supply you with a quick update before the news starts as to the latest on our incoming winter storm. As you can see here on the satellite and radar imagery, lots of rain, lots of snow working across the Maritimes, and now just beginning to push onto the southwest coast of the island. The air is still dry, so I'm sure flakes aren't quite falling yet in the Port aux Basques area, but they will. And then we'll see that messy mix pushing up from the south and west overnight, spreading over eastern Newfoundland and southern areas, while central and the west coast see heavy snow overnight tomorrow and possibly into Saturday. So as far as futurecast goes, this will time out the snow arrival as we head through tonight. Notice by midnight, just the southwest quadrant of the island seeing the snow. Mix line still offshore. By 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, looks like the Burin Peninsula has seen the snow develop but change to rain. Parts of the Avalon will see the snow develop and then quickly change to rain, especially farther south, while central, interior, and perhaps even southern areas are seeing snow by tomorrow morning, although right along the immediate south coast we could be seeing that rain-snow mix. And that rain-snow mix along the south coast is going to continue as we go through tomorrow. On the Burin Peninsula, we're kind of seeing that fight between rain and snow, and on the Avalon and Bonavista Peninsula is the same thing. Elevation going to have a big part in how much snow you see right along the coast. Not much. Areas above 150, 200 meters could pick up 10, 15 centimeters of snow on the easternmost peninsulas through Friday, but warmer air begins to move in by Friday evening as those easterly winds begin to do their dirty work. And it looks like across the Avalon, Burin, Bonavista Peninsulas, we see that snow changing over to rain at some point Friday afternoon, and that rain will persist through Saturday, while central and western areas see snow through Saturday, although it looks like the heaviest snow in central will fall tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, into Saturday morning, and we could have one more burst of snow Saturday night into Sunday across eastern areas as our low does depart. As far as current weather alerts go, wreckhouse wind and wind warning in effect for Channel Port aux Basques. For Bay St. George, wind warning in place, special weather statements farther north. I do expect those to be upgraded to snowfall warnings later this evening as we get closer to the 24-hour window of that heavier snowfall. And it's snowfall warnings in place for Canagra and Burgeo Ramia at the moment, and that's because areas just away from the south coast are going to see significant snowfall. Environment Canada saying up to 25 centimeters. I definitely think that's a good bet. Snowfall forecast really hasn't changed a whole lot since yesterday. Areas east and south will see that mix. Central and interior, the highest snowfall amounts. Along the south coast, we see that messy mix of rain and snow. Looks like 5 to 10 centimeters followed by 5 to 10 millimeters. And the biggest question I kept getting yesterday was, what about this area, Clarenville, Gander? Well, as we take a closer look into that area right now, you'll see that Clarenville, you're in the 5 to 10 centimeter, 10 to 20 millimeter area. Bonavista Peninsula, same thing. And into the Gander area, that's the biggest question mark, at least for me at the moment. But I think in Gander itself, we see a hefty snowfall, but just northeast, out towards Lumsden, Centerville, New West Valley, we see that messy mix. As far as the highlights go from this, snow will arrive tonight, changes to rain on Friday, south and east. Elevation, again, will make a very, very big difference. The gusty winds for all coastal areas, especially west and south tomorrow, shifting toward the Avalon as we go into Saturday and Sunday. And the heaviest snow will fall across central later Friday into Saturday, and again watching that potential for snow on Sunday. And I know my face is kind of blocking some of this, but that's what I can tell you right now. Your full forecast coming up on NTV between 5:30 and 7 o'clock. I will see you then.